Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Tepen General, Andile and Tabo visit on hospital. Zandile hug Andile while Tabo seems like jealous. A colleague embarrassed Tabo. Doctors will tell Andile that Tabo is fired on work, but Tabo continued with lies to Andile that he take a leave on hospital. Twins dribbling Pumeza. Pumeza swears Sneh getting out on cold room and she starts to judge him, but Sneh warn him. Sneh remind Pumeza about her husband memories on the cold room. MacGyver has been warned. Now it is up to him. Do you think Tabo will return on his work? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.